Those red eyes staring at the ceiling, picturing the fears of all your feelings. Those red lips talking but not speaking, words of wisdom but no feelings. Carrying the weight of the world, bending over backwards just to see it clearer, holding on to your words, embedded on your steering wheel. Why do you just say to me, am I not good enough for you? Baby, listen, I don't give a damn about you. You told me I wasn't capable of fighting, baby, I'm telling you, I can be the queen of hell. I don't need a king beside me. I'm stronger on my own. I'm stronger on my own. And those same red eyes can glow and shine, but don't be fooled by a she-wolf. Carrying the weight of the world, bending over backwards just to see it clearer, holding on to your words, embedded on your steering wheel. Why do you just say to me, am I not good enough for you? Baby, listen, I don't give a damn about you. You told me I wasn't capable of fighting, baby, I'm telling you, I can be the queen of hell. I don't need a king beside me. I'm stronger on my own. I'm stronger on my own. I'm stronger on my own.
Geef er een daverend applaus, Anastasia.
Dank jullie wel.